All right, time to check on the garden. Wow, crazy day. Well, the chickens are out in the garden. That's a problem. There are a variety of ways that they're getting in, and as soon as we take care of one problem, they find a new way in. Alright, well, I'll take care of that fully in a minute. But I just wanted to check on everything out here. This is where we left off. I didn't plant the rest of this row. But as you can see, all this stuff handled the snow quite well. Brassicas are like that. They don't mind cold weather at all. We've got some peas coming up, really strong. We planted them really thick with the intention of thinning them out as needed later. So that's pretty cool. Looks like our weeds are coming up great. Doing really well. This is actually where we planted the radishes, or sorry, not radishes. The, why can't I think of it? I can almost say it. What is it? Keep on wanting to say radish. They're big and they're bright red. Beets, yes, okay. This is where we've planted the beets. And it's a little bit difficult to tell which ones are beets at this point, but if you look under them, it's easier to see how it's purple under there. Excuse me, or red. So these ones with the elongated leaves are beets. There's a tiny one there, and these ones are something else. I'm going to assume it's a weed, but my curiosity is making me leave them just so I can see what they are. That may be a bad choice, but I can see other things that in here that are also doing well. Have no idea what they are. Actually, those might be sunflowers. If they are, I will leave them. Maybe a sunflower there too. Maybe possibly zinnias. I'm not sure. Zinnias and sunflowers look similar. Got another row of peas coming up really strong next to this row of broccoli. Love it. Oh, it's so exciting to see plants in the garden. And I have to say, there's a lot more gratification in seeing things come up from seed than from 4-packs that we brought from the greenhouse downtown. Granted, it's fun to see that too. It's fun to see them, you know, suddenly spring to new levels of life and vitality when they've been in the garden a few days. But you know, seeing things come up from seed is just so much more fun and gratifying. Anyway, wow, it is really cold out here. We've had the strangest weather this year. It is, the weather has been in the 90s, low 90s, within the past 5 days. And last night and this morning it snowed. And tonight it's supposed to get down to 30 degrees, so, which means it'll probably get down to like 25 here at our house. We're just kind of in a frost pocket. But the foreseeable future, so at least 10 days out, we're going to be experiencing low 70s. So that's kind of exciting. It means I think we can probably feel confident in planting our other things in the garden. We'll see. That's always dangerous around here. Idaho weather is crazy. But anyway, I think today I am going to not brave the elements outside. I'm going to work on something indoors. So that'll be fun. Isn't it funny how we get so used to warm weather and a measly 30 degrees is gonna scare us away. All right, into the house.
Okay. Let's go. Wait, first I need a kiss. Ah, that's a good price to pay for water, huh? I liked it.